Morning and Jai Hind, welcome back to the class. So today we are going to start a new chapter, Birds Talk. So from this chapter we come to know about the birds, how they make sound, how their feathers look like. Okay, so start the chapter. Now birds they have different features like their body, wings, beak and their feet. Their sound they make, their migration means how they move from one place to another, their nest, how they build their nest. And now this wings, in the portion of wings we come to know about the feathers type. Okay, how many types of their feathers, and their beak, how different their beaks, and feet, their different types of feet. All the birds have different type of feet according to their quality or importance, or whatever we can say. Now birds are the only animal that can fly. Their body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Their body can be divided into three parts: head, trunk and tail. They have two pairs of limbs, the legs and the wings. They have two legs but no hands. Their wings are covered with feathers. Their wings are covered with their feathers. Their mouth is called as beak, but they do not have teeth at all. Why beta? Why birds fly? Because bird can fly because its body is very light, and it has a streamlined body and it has a wings. Now we are going to see over the different parts of the body of bird. See here: eyes, beak, belly, claws, tail, wings, head or crown. Now we are going to learn about the wings and feathers of the bird. Birds have wings of different shape and size and color. Wings help birds to fly. There are three kinds of feathers found on the bird's body: down feathers, body feathers and flight feathers. So see, there are three types of feather. Down feather are the soft and short, lie next to the bird's skin, helps to bird's body to warm. Now body feather gives shape to bird's body, cover the whole body. And flight feathers are the wings and tails. They help to fly and to change the direction while the birds are flying. Now we are going to discuss the beaks. Have you seen the beaks of the birds? They don't have mouth. Instead of mouth, they have beaks. Mouth of bird is called beak. They use their beak to eat. The shape of beak depend upon the type of food they eat. Which type of food they eat, it depends on their beak. Okay, so they also use their beaks to build the nest. They clean and smoothen their feathers with their beak. It's called pruning. Now beaks: strong, short and hard. Some birds have strong, short and hard beaks because they have to crack and open their food. Like a sparrow pigeon eats nuts and seed, they need a strong beak to crack open their food. So they have strong, short and hard beaks. Look, there is an example of the beaks: sparrow, pigeon. See is look their beaks. Now beaks: strong भी होना चाहिए, sharp and hooked. Eagle, vulture and hawks eat flesh of other birds and animals. So their beaks are strong, sharp and hooked. They are called birds of prey. Okay. Now strong, chisel shaped. Look their beaks. Woodpecker hoops pokes hole in a hard tree trunk to pull out the insect to eat. So they have strong chisel shaped beak. Beaks: broad and flat type of beaks. Ducks, goose and few cranes eat fish and insect from muddy water. So they have got broad and flat beaks with holes on either side. The muddy water flows out through these holes. Now long and pointed. Hummingbird, sunbird eat the nectar from the flowers, so they have long and pointed beaks. They need to pierce their beak into flower to suck the nectar. Now it's time to discussion of feet. Birds have 2 feet. They have 4 toes. They have 4 toes for walking, hopping, picking things, catching and holding food. Different birds have different type of food. Now look, perching bird feed. Birds like pigeon, sparrow, crows and parrot perches or it sits on tree branches. They have feet that help them to grip thin or thick branches easily. They have 4 toes, 3 face forward and the fourth face backward. They can move each toe independently. Look how their feet look like. Now talons feet. Eagle, hawks and vultures eat or hunt other animals. They need sharp hooked claws to catch their prey. These sharp hooked claws are called talons. Trowel feet. Hens, rooster need to scratch ground to take out worm and seeds. Trowel is a tool used to digging. Hens' feet work like trowel when they scratch the mud. Now climbing birds' feet. Birds like woodpecker climb the tree and need to hold on trees. Okay, so they have need such a this type of climbing feet. So they have 2 sharp claws pointing in each direction on their each foot. It helps them to hold the trees and balance while they tap on tree trunk. Now webbed feet. Ducks, goose have feet with front toes joined by skin. That's why their feet are called webbed feet, because webbed feet helps them to swim. Okay, webbed feet work like paddles and help in swimming. Okay, now wading birds feed. Herons and storks are wading birds who can walk in shallow water. They have long, slender legs with spread out toes. This spread through help them to walk in water easily while catching the birds. Now birds chirp. All you know that different birds have different sound. So birds do not have teeth. They have a tongue or which helps them to make sound. Bird use this special sound to call their mates. We can identify bird from its call. Parrot is a special bird who can copy human sound and almost can speak like us. Now birds, if different birds can make different sound. Myna, cuckoo, skylark and nightingale have sweet sounds. Now nest. Home of bird is called as a nest. Bird make their nest to lay eggs and raise their young ones. A baby bird is called a chick. It stays in the nest till they get old enough to fly. Then they leave and fly off. Birds use straw, fiber, wool, cotton, thread, twigs, leaves and even pepper to build their nest. Now nest. Mother bird lays eggs in the nest. Then they take care of eggs and keep them warm till they are ready to hatch. Different birds build different types of nests like beaver nest, crow nest, hen sitting on eggs. And now migration. When the weather of a place becomes unsuitable for the bird, they fly away to other places. They come back when the weather changes again. This process is called a migration. And the birds are called migratory birds. Okay? Migratory birds. In winter, when it's very cold in Siberia, the Siberian cranes fly to India. Okay, they go back when it's warm in Siberia. The longest distance migration is done by Arctic team. They Fly from Arctic, North Polar region, to Antarctic, South Polar region. Arctic tern. Okay, see the bird over here. Look at the bird. Now, we are going to write the new words of the chapter Bird Talk. New words: feast, skipped, picking, whistled, tapped, hopped, hooked, crest, and wise. Note down all these new words in your EVS copy.